How to add constraints in Figma. In this video, I'll show you how to add constraints in Figma to make your design more responsive. Let's jump in. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, open Figma app. Now you need to open a file or create a new one. Then select the frame, shape, text or any object that you want to add constraint to. Here I have selected this frame. Now open the constraint panel. Look to the right sidebar and under this section called constraint, you'll see options like top, bottom, left, right, center, scale and more. Now choose how you want your element to behave when the frame is resized. For example, set it to top and left if you want it to stay pinned to the top left corner. Finally, resize the frame and see how your object moves. Constraints help keep everything perfectly aligned. And that's how you add constraints in Figma. If you found this helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.